Here we are, the final day on the Teresa's yard project. I mean, it's been a journey. We've transformed this property from, I don't know how to describe it, but day one to today. Like I said, it's just been a journey, an epic transformation of the property to something that she can truly be proud to own and a place to call home. You know, this morning I've got the sod being delivered, and that's the final step. But I'm racing the weather. There's a storm coming. It's gonna rain on us, which is ideal for fresh sod. Plus I can put the sprinklers on it. We gotta get water to that sod, but that's it. After today, we're a wrap. And to think about this project coming to a close is, man, I don't know what my next project it'll be, but it's gonna be tough to top this one. Here they come now. I see the truck. Be here in just a second. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. All right, got 4 pallets of sod here. Was able to lay them right down the line so I don't have to pack this sod very far. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them off one roll at a time and start laying them in. There's flags on each sprinkler so I can go right over the top of those, and then I'll come back and cut the sprinkler heads out. But they're on the edges anyway. This should go really quickly. It's only about 500 square feet. Yeah, this place looks totally different with the sod laid down in front of it. I cut out the sprinkler heads, got it ready to start putting water to it. One of my mysteries this whole time has been what to do with these really cool old wheels that I found all over the property in the deep grass. And these two are a matched pair, they're perfect. And I need to do something to protect the sprinkler head in this corner to keep people from driving up on it on the street. So I'm gonna take the RTK trencher, I'm gonna trench down like 10, 12 inches on both sides here, and then I'm gonna set the wheels down inside so they can't leave and pack them in dirt and rock. It's the perfect way to protect the corner and use these old wheels. It's perfect. Let's do it. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. I'm gonna put the water to this yard pretty hard for the first week to 10 days. When you put down fresh sod, you gotta water it a lot. You gotta get those roots growing. You gotta get that yard to take. This is beautiful, nice grass. Seed to Crop's a great company, good partner of ours locally. As I stand here, I realize that this journey just came to an end. This is it. Put the wheels in on the corner to protect the sprinkler head. Put the mailbox back where it belonged. All I gotta do is load up my equipment and leave. And I'm a little bit, I don't know, I'm a little lost. This is a project that started in February and this is August. We've been at it for 6 months. 6 months for the Teresa's Yard Makeover. And I'm just so happy that we could be a part of making a little part of our community better. Helping somebody who has a nice house but didn't have the means to take care of the property, create a yard and a space that they can be proud of, that their neighbors can look over the fence and see their yard and not just be happy for them, but maybe even a little bit envious that they have a nice green yard and that somebody else in the community cared. And that's kind of what Barretto Manufacturing is all about. And that's been part of our mission with Build It Better DIY, was to do some film projects like this. Hopefully we can inspire others to chip in the community and help out as well. Like I said, it's been a heck of a journey to think about where we came from, coming here on the very first day and looking at it and filming this process from day one until now. Fences in the right of way and the grass was tall and it was just, there was garbage everywhere and it was just a really not clean place. And now to see it like it is makes me proud. Proud to be a part of this team and this plan and this community. If you enjoyed watching this epic journey of transforming Teresa's property into what you see today, remember to hit like and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be bringing more projects like this where we're helping others in the community with little projects, things that we can do to help to make our world just a little bit better place. But until then, that's all we got for today's episode of Build It Better DIY.